Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you my recipe for creamy peanut butter fudge. 2 ingredients, no cook, no fail. So let's get started. I have equal amounts of white chocolate chips and peanut butter, and I'm going to soften those over hot water. And I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to mix those together. Like that. And I line my container with some parchment paper just because it'll make it easier to lift these out after they're done. And I'm going to pour that in. And then you can put whatever you like over the top. So I'm going to put some shredded coconut and some cranberries. And I have some pumpkin seeds. And some more white chocolate. And I'll just press those down a little bit with another piece of parchment paper. And I'm going to place that in the refrigerator to set up. Okay, this has now set up. And I'm going to cut it. And there you have it, creamy peanut butter fudge. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.